How to lock WhatsApp chat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can lock your WhatsApp chat. Now locking up your WhatsApp chat is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. Simply open up chat and you'll get an interface like this once you open up WhatsApp here. Now open up the chat that you wanna lock. Now simply open up this chat. I'll just open up this chat here that you want to see. Now here tap on the contact name at the top of your screen that you'll find. You can see mine written here, the contact name. Simply tap on it and this will open up. Now here open up the profile of the contact here. Now if you scroll down below here, below the option disappearing messages or above the option create group, you can see the option chat lock. Simply tap on chat lock and you can see the option keep this chat locked and hidden. Under it you can read user fingerprint to open this chat and read notifications on this phone. For even more privacy, locked chats will be kept separate from other chats. So what you want to do to lock a chat is simply enable this option here. You can see lock this chat with fingerprint. Enable this here and confirm your fingerprint, and you can see this chat is now locked. And if you go back here on lock chats, you'll be able to see your locked chats. So this way you can lock WhatsApp chat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.